To be on the cover of The Knot is so exciting. First of all, because this is my second shot at marriage and it really feels like I'm doing it right this time. My best self is ironically when I'm just me, sometimes a bare face, sometimes just my natural hair, when I'm at home, when I'm with my fiance, when I'm with the people who really know me underneath this Jackie Aina the brand. That's when I feel my best self, the people who make me feel the most powerful and loved and special. I haven't really solidified what look I'm gonna do for the big day, but what I would like to think I would do as far as like makeup goes is I'm definitely going to have peachy tones. I mean, I love peachy tones and dark skin. I feel like it just makes you look so radiant. We also definitely have to have some highlighter. You wanna glow, you wanna look just lit from within. I will have a gloss on hand. I always love a good gloss. And of course we have to have a big fluttery, fluffy lash. Not too big, not like 25 millimeter girl, you better tone it down. But like a really beautiful, wispy, feathery lash, I think makes every bride look stunning, beautiful. What I think needs to change about beauty standards in the wedding industry today is, you know, this stuff has been kind of like recent for me because I was married 10 years ago. So seeing how different things are then versus how they are now, I've come to realize social media plays a big part of how people dress shop, how people find vendors, how people find, you know, different things. And like, I think it's just important to see diverse people who represent the average everyday girl, the average everyday woman. I'd love to see more of that. This cover, I think, just also further solidifies how important it is for Black girls to see other women that look like them being represented in media and being happy and being healthy and living their best lives.
Hi, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And be sure to check out the rest of our channel for new videos every week. Seriously, just hit the subscribe button.